Well, g'day curd nerds and welcome to another cheese video. Today we're doing a taste test for the mustard and dark ale cheese. So let's have a listen to what Gav had to say about this cheese way back in February. So an amazing little cheese, quite easy to make, had one washing, not much of an issue really, bit of an intermediate cheese I suppose, nothing too hard about it, probably wouldn't dive in if I was a beginner and try it, but look, I've seen beginners make camembert, so it's no big deal. This cheese will mature for 6 to 8 weeks, so I'm going to go for the 2 months of the 8 weeks. But it smells absolutely fantastic. You can smell a hint of the mustard and you can definitely smell the dark ale, but I think the cheese flavour will obviously come through as well, seeing I used the MA 4000 series by Choose It, that brand of starter culture. So that'll give a really good all-round flavour. A little bit milder than normal because of the washed curd. Well, mustard and dark ale cheese, it's been in the cheese cave. When did I make it? I made it in, this is the 3rd of February 2021. So there it is in all its glory. Great looking cheese. So as you can see, the cheese survived the vac packing. There is no seepage at all around in the vacuum packs. There's no excessive whey, which is fantastic. The colours look great, so nice marbling and stuff like that. And the mustard seeds haven't really bled or anything like that into the cheese. So let's crack it open. Get that out the way. Oh, first thing you can smell is the dark ale as it comes out of the bag. Let me just get rid of that. Keep that bit. Okay, so let's get it onto the cutter. Oh, smells, you can smell that mix of cheese, not really the mustard, but definitely the dark ale, so that's certainly a hit. Right, let's put it on my cutter. And I had to be reminded the other day that I actually owned this, so it was in the back of my cheese cupboard. Alright, so it looks kind of centre. It's not going very straight. There we go. Boop. Rightio. Lots of seeds and stuff. Oh, smells nice. So yeah, lots of seeds, and as I cut it, obviously a lot of the mustard seeds popped out of little holes, but that's okay. That's no big deal. But yeah, it looks really good. So let's transfer it over to the other board, get it away from the cutting board. Smooth that out the way. Pop that in. Right, so let's just cut it in half with the other knife. See if we can get a better cut. This one's sharp and the other one was a wire. Yeah, that's better. I should have used the knife. But yeah, nice smoother cut, and it actually cut through the mustard seeds. So plop that up there. Crackers. Do I have crackers? Let me just check. No, it looks like the cracker supply has run dry, but we're going to try this Al Naturel. Oh, cuts well. It's not crumbly, and you wouldn't expect that from a washed curd cheese. There we go, lean terra pisa. Lots of mustard seeds. I hope I get some flavour of that. Alrighty, so there it is there. Good looking cheese. It smells nice. Let's have a go, shall we? A little bit of heat from the mustard, not much. But definitely that ale taste is really prevalent, which is good, because that's kind of what it is. It's got a nice texture. So I like it, a good mouthfeel. The cheese is definitely there. You can taste the, well, it's like a Gouda style, so very mild Gouda taste. You get more flavour from the mustard seeds and the dark ale than you do the cheese, which is good. But you really want to taste the cheese. It's there, a good all-round package. So not too bad at all. No, I like it. It's good. Once you let it coat your tongue, you get all the flavours. So you get the ale, the cheese flavour, which is not as intense, but definitely that ale flavour's there, and definitely just slight mustard. Now, if you wanted more heat, what I could have done was toasted the mustard seeds. Now, I didn't do that because the recipe that I got from, I think it was cheesemaking.com, didn't specify anything about toasting the mustard seeds. Now, I know if you want it more aromatic, more of a mustard flavour, then definitely toast the mustard seeds at the start of the process before you add them to the curds. But visually appealing, very nice looking. Not much wrong with this cheese at all. I think it's a winner, except for mustard seeds everywhere. But, you know, that's par with the course. Delicious. Ooh, a little bit of heat there as I crack into a full mustard seed. Now, I used yellow and black or brown mustard seeds in this. You can use one colour if you want. You can use both. No big deal about the mustard seeds themselves. I think they're more for mouthfeel and not so much heat. A little bit of flavour. But yeah, it's more for the visual appeal of the cheese, which is really good. So yeah, I'm going to vac pack probably another half. I don't think it's going to age much more really, because it's a washed curd cheese and a lot of the lactose had come out, so there won't be much acid development. So it's not going to get too much stronger than this. But I will vac pack half, put it in the cheese cave, forget about it for 2 years or a year, and bring it out in a subsequent taste test a little bit later on. It's well worth making. Give it a go. The link for the original making video will be in the description below or in one of the end cards, so you can go and check it out. If you want to make this cheese, then I recommend the hard cheese kit, and don't forget to add in MA 4000 series by Choose It, the culture that I used. Gave it a good all-round flavour, which was good. Not much else I could say about this cheese, except go and make it and give it a go. Anyway, curd nerds, if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so and get notified of all the cheesy videos that I release on a weekly basis. Now, if you want to get a personalised message, birthdays, bar mitzvahs, anniversaries, that sort of thing, don't forget that I'm on Cameo, and the link for my Cameo is down in the description below. Well, thanks for watching, curd nerds, and I'll see you next time.